Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So this video is in collaboration with the brand Nature Nuska. So the brand has come up with amazing 24 by 7 total hair fitness solution. So yeah, this is a product that I received from the brand a month ago. So let's unbox this. So guys, this product are 100% natural, pure herbal. I'm gonna quickly show you what products I received from the brand Nature Nuska and what Nature Nuska is all about. So if you wanna know more about this product, so please continue watching. So yeah, this is the gift box that I received from Nature Nuska, and let's see what's inside it. Okay, so guys, it's a unique combination of two products for all your hair needs. The first product is the Hair Fitness Nourishing Mist, and this is the product being rich with onion, neem, bringraj, along with 8 ingredients. It reaches the depth of the roots and boosts strength in them, which ultimately results in stronger and healthy hair. So yeah, you can definitely try this. Let me quickly show you the benefits of this mist. So yeah, these are the benefits of the mist that are listed here. It comes in a spray bottle, so it's convenient to apply all over your scalp or without touching your scalp. So yeah, it's a good product, must try out guys. So guys, for applying this mist, just you have to partition your hair like this, and you can spray it like this and just dab it so that it got absorbed over your scalp like this. So guys, the second product is Hair Fitness Oil Plus, that is non-sticky and protein rich, 100% natural, pure herbal. So yeah, this again comes in a spray bottle, and the non-sticky part is really good. What we find in oils, every oils like this. So guys, oiling your hair before the hair wash is must. I prefer doing 2 hours before your hair wash. So yeah, oiling is the major important part. So let's come to the ingredients. It is enriched in avocado oil, jojoba, flaxseed oil, peas oil, and neem oil, clove oil, mustard oil. So yeah, all oils are here as you can see. So let's come to its benefit. It stops prematuring hair fall and enhances hair growth and volume. So yeah, you can try this out. It again comes in a spray bottle, so it's really convenient to use the products of Nature Nuska. This oil of Nature Nuska now in my hair, so yeah, it's really convenient. Like, partition your hair and just rub it like this, and that's it. So guys, definitely check these products out, and to shop, visit their Instagram handle at the rate Nature Nuska. I will tag their ID in the description so you can find out there. So yeah, the best thing about these products are they're clinically tested and proven, and it contains natural fragrance, so no chemicals. It's not gonna harm your hair in any way. So yeah, you can definitely try this out. Thank you for watching.